prosperous age of leisure snacks, multifarious package everywhere. Flashback, a traditional retail shop displaying goods with plastic. That's old times.
TSHS was established in 1965. In the early business, we are the leading supplier of the restaurant-use infrared oven. However, as for the growth of the domestic business, we are not satisfied. So we try to aim to the overseas abroad business. However, it's a really new challenge for us because we don't have any experience on global trading. So, from the first telecom typing machine to the first trading staff and the first all English